Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adib Irfan bin Ahmad Kisam. My matrix number is 2022840994 and I'm from AS12003C.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Ifak bin Muhammad and I am from AS1203C. My student ID is 2022823962.
Hi, my name is Cewar Muhammad Daniel bin Rosdai. My student ID is 2022858808.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Ismail Daniel bin Salahudi and my student ID is 2022627498 and I'm from class AS12003C.
My name is Nur Azizi bin Yahya.
Okay, first we will start at learning outcome. In this video presentation, we will explain about the mechanism of innate immunity. Second, able to distinguish between first and second line of defense in innate immunity. And third is, we will explain about immunological memory in adaptive immunity. And fourth, we will talk about antigens. And the last one is, we will explain the role of lymphocyte and their colonial selection process.
But I will introduce what is the immune system. From what I researched in the Google, I found that the immune system is made up of a complex network of organs, cells and proteins that fight infection. Microbes. The immune system keeps a record of the every microbes it has defeated in type of white blood cell known as memory cell. This means it can recognize and destroy the microbes quickly if it enter the body again before it can multiply and make you feel sick. In our body we contain that we have a blood that in all our body, and in that blood we have the white blood cell, and the white blood cell will protect us from every virus that will make our body feel sick.
Okay, next we will explain about innate immunity. Innate immunity provides broad defense against infection. A pathogen that successfully breaks through an animal's external defense soon encounter several innate cellular and chemical mechanisms that impede its attack on the body. Okay, from what I know, humans also have innate immunity, also known as a non-specific immunity. It's the first line of defense your body has against pathogen and harmful substance. It is a system you are born with, present even before you encounter any specific threat. Unlike the adaptive immune system, which develop specialized response to specific antigen, innate immunity provide a broad general defense against a wide range of invaders. Okay, this is the example of innate immunity. First, we attach a macrophage, eosinophil, mast cell, dendritic cell, natural killer cell, and neutrophil cell, and the other cell.
Okay, innate immunity of vertebrates. They have two, external defenses and internal defenses. External defenses, skin, mucous membranes, secretion. Internal defenses, phagocytic cell, natural killer cell, antimicrobial proteins. Okay, first line defenses. Interact, skin barrier that cannot be penetrated by bacterial or viruses. Second, mucous membrane. It is an epithelial tissue which secretes mucus. Secretion, it contains lysosome, destroys cell walls of susceptible bacteria. The second line of defenses, internal defenses. cellular innate phagocytic cells, natural killer cells, antimicrobial proteins, interferons, inflammatory response.
Immunological memory. Immunological memory is the ability of the immune system to respond more rapidly and effectively to pathogens that have been encountered previously and reflects the pre-existence of a clonally expanded population of antigen-specific lymphocytes. Memory responses, which are called secondary, tertiary, and so on, depending on the number of exposures to antigen, also different qualitatively from primary responses. This is particularly clear in the case of the antibody response, where the characteristic of antibodies produced in secondary and subsequent responses are distinct from those produced in the primary response to the same antigen.
Okay, next we go to antigens. What is antigen? Antigen are molecules that trigger an immune response. They can be found on the surface of foreign materials like pollen, dust, and transplant tissues, as well as on invasive organisms like bacteria, virus, and fungi. The immune system recognizes antigens as foreign and mounts an attack against them. This attack involves producing antibodies, which are specialized protein that bind to antigens and mark them for destruction.
There are two types of antigens. First, exogenous antigens. Second, endogenous antigens. Antigens are crucial for the immune system to function properly. Vaccines train the immune system by exposing it to weakened or inactive version of antigens, preparing it to fight off real infections.
Lymphocytes. Lymphocyte is a type of white blood cell that play an important role to your immune system in your body to help fight back a disease or infection. Your immune system made up of intricate web, which include immune cell lymphoids, lung tissue, and lymphatic organs. Lymphocytes are a type of immune cell. There are two main types of lymphocytes. Firstly, we have a lymphocyte T cell. This cell help your body immune system response and attack and kill directly infected cell and tumor cell. T cell are a cell-mediated immunity, or in other words, we call it cytocytes in lymphocytes. Next, we have a lymphocyte B cell. B cell make an antibodies that are protein that target viruses and bacteria and other foreign invaders. B cell are a humoral immunity, or we call it antibody mediated.
The clonal selection process. Binding of antigen receptor to antigen activates the lymphocyte. Activated B cells amplify, forming two types of clones: plasma cell, short-lived activator cells, and second, memory cells, long-lived.
From what that my friend present, we can conclude that the immune system is a complex network of organs, cells, and proteins that defend the body against infection while protecting body's own cell. Second, the immune system keeps a record of every germs, microbes it has ever defeated, so it can recognize and destroy the microbes quickly if it enters the body again. Third, abnormalities of the immune system can lead to allergic disease, immunodeficiency, and autoimmune disorder. As we know, we have two defense, and without both we we will easily get sick because we doesn't have a defense to protect our body.